Hello everybody, welcome to another grilling day with Izu. I want to thank you all for your subscription, for your views, your comments and your likes. And today I'm going to have a new video on how to grill drumstick in the oven. I hope you will enjoy this video. Always try this out and drop your comment. Thank you, and as we proceed, I have to start with my salt for taste. Then this is a special chicken grill mixture, and here is my garlic powder and ginger powder. Here is black pepper, my curry powder, I have to add oil or mixture. Also is my paprika powder. I have to mix all. When I'm done, I have to cover this with a nylon and put it in the fridge for 3 to 4 hours before the oven. So we have to wait for between 3 to 4 hours in the fridge, and the reason for this is the spice can penetrate well when it's in the fridge. So after that, we're going to bring it out, then put it in the oven. I'm back from the fridge after 3 hours. So I have to have a little mix. Then I have to hang it here. Now this goes into the oven and stays in the oven for 40 to 50 minutes, and our drumsticks are ready. Finally, after 45 minutes in the oven, this is what we have here. You can see. Please keep subscribing to our YouTube channel, viewing, and share to your friends. Drop your comments. I think this is wonderful. You may take a good look at this. Thank you for watching my video, and I hope to come up with more videos, and always try this at home the way I said. You really enjoy it. Thank you, and bye.